Welcome to Nova Formworks, where we are reshaping construction with advanced plastic formwork systems. Let's dive into how our modular solutions are helping builders save time, cut costs, and improve quality on some of India's most prominent projects. Nova's wall formwork is ideal for building shear walls, core walls, lift walls, and retaining walls, providing a smooth finish that reduces plastering costs. Our wall formwork has been successfully applied in major housing, commercial, and infrastructure projects like underpasses, water tanks, minor bridges, box culverts. With easy setup and modular design, Nova's wall formwork streamlines construction without compromising on quality. For columns, Nova's formwork is both flexible and durable, accommodating custom shapes and sizes. Even 7-meter high columns, the systems are in action at high-profile projects like Central Vista, Eco Park in Hyderabad, and commercial projects by Shahpurji Palanji in Gurgaon. By reducing setup time and labor costs, Nova's column formwork ensures efficiency and precision on complex builds. Slab formwork application. Nova Formwork is perfect for slab construction in low-cost housing projects, providing a fast and cost-effective solution without sacrificing durability. Our slab formwork is being utilized across various low-cost housing initiatives like those in Andhra Pradesh, lightweight and easy to install. It's designed to meet the growing demand of affordable housing with high-quality results. Drain and infrastructure formwork. From underpasses and box culverts to precast sewers, Nova's drain and infrastructure formwork is tailored for challenging projects. It's being used at critical sites like the Dwarka underpass in Delhi, various NHAI projects, the WDFC project. Our infrastructure formwork speeds up construction timelines, reduces labor requirements, and ensures long-lasting quality builds. Nova Formworks is trusted in a diverse range of projects, from residential sites in Sholapur, Maharashtra, to commercial spaces like in Sector 73 shopping complex in Noida. We've contributed to key developments like hospitals, schools, data centers, colleges, hostels, railway stations, and flyover projects like the Delhi Meerut flyover in Ghaziabad. With versatile and reusable formwork solutions, Nova is paving the way for sustainable, cost-effective construction across the nation. Eco-friendly and sustainable construction. At Nova Formworks, we are committed to sustainability. Our formwork is fully recyclable, water resistant, and corrosion proof, making it a green solution. It's not only high performing but also environment friendly. For projects that prioritize sustainability, Nova eco-friendly formwork is the smart choice for reducing waste and building a better future. So whether it's housing, commercial developments, or infrastructure, Nova Formworks is leading the way with advanced cost-effective solutions that redefine what's possible in construction. Connect with us to learn more and see how Nova can elevate your next project. Hit the bell icon to get more updates, and don't forget to subscribe to Nova Formworks.